Welcome to 7825 Washington Ave, otherwise known as Olympic Place. This is a 9-story building, about 110,000 square feet. It's conveniently located on 494 and 169 corridor. It's basically the last tall office building as you head west on 494. We have a lot of different suites here available for new tenants, all office users, ranging in size from 1,700 square feet on the lowest all the way up to 7,500 square feet on the lowest. We have some larger tenants here as well that take up a large floor. There's lots of amenities at Olympic Place. We also have a tenant lounge, a bike storage room, a workout room, and we have 2 conference rooms. We're adding another one upstairs on the 3rd floor. Each conference room can accommodate roughly 30 people. And we also have really high fast elevators in the building. The building's got a great wire score, so your internet's always going to be great here. And it's also a great Energy Star rating building. Olympic Place has tons of parking. There's a massive parking garage located on the premise. The building also is got key card access that you can use on your phone to get in and out of the building. This is Olympic Place. Thanks for watching. We hope to hear more from you.